Amara, I don't think I can continue this marriage anymore.
Please, don't say that. Please, we've been through so much together. Let's fix this.
I've tried, Amara. I truly hope one day you'll understand.
I'll still be here.
So far so good. I would say that this platform is the best when it comes to AI images and video generation. Reason because it generates videos and images in high quality. It doesn't just generate your videos and images, no, it generates them in high quality, and again it generates them very fast. Within a twinkle of an eye, your video is ready. On this platform, I used Grok Imagine to generate this video. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to access Grok Imagine. I'm also going to be showing you what is required for you to access it, so that at the end of this video, you'll be able to know if it is what you can do or what you can't do. That aside, you also be learning how to get your scripts, how to generate your images before animation, okay? I'm literally going to hold your hand, walk you through the steps involved in creating your AI videos through this platform. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are welcome. My name is Mercy. On this particular channel, I drop AI tools that you can use to generate your videos, whether paid or free version. I also drop tutorials about AI video editing and again how to make money online, something like YouTube tips. If this is what you want, first of all, click on the like button to like this video, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a video. With that being said, let's head over to the platform. Let me show you how I was able to use Grok Imagine to generate this video. So guys, I'll be sharing my screen with you all. The first thing you need is to get your script. If you have already written your script somewhere, you just copy it and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to help you analyze your story, okay, so that it can add the image prompt, the video prompt, the camera angle, the lighting, the audio, the dialogue, and every other thing. I don't have a story of my own, so I went to ChatGPT and said, can you give me image and video prompt of a Nigerian couple? The man wants a divorce, why the woman doesn't? Just 3 scenes, and each scene is only 6 seconds. Include dialogue, audio, lightning, camera angles, and other necessary detailed information to get a high quality realistic video. So I just said this, just 3 scenes for the purpose of this tutorial. Now look at the script that ChatGPT gave me. It gave me character bible. It described the character for me, their age, their appearance, the shape of their face, the shape of their head, even their apartment. It described everything. Now this is scene 1, image prompt. So I'm going to copy this image prompt, the image prompt of scene 1. I'm going to copy it and go and generate my image first, okay? Because after your script, the next thing is generating your images. So I have to copy this So I have to copy the image prompt of scene 1, then go to Google Chrome and type Flow AI so that I can get the image, okay? Flow AI is very good when it comes to image generation. Later on, I'll be telling you why I choose to generate my images on Flow AI instead of using the platform I'll be using for the videos, okay? So first of all, I copied the character bible template. That is the characters, the way they are described and including their location. I copied it, then went to Flow AI and paste it. Then I will go back to ChatGPT and now copy the scene 1 image prompt, okay? So I copied the image prompt of scene 1, went back to Flow AI and also paste it. Then I choose my aspect ratio. I choose the particular tool that I'll be using to generate the image inside Flow AI. In case you don't know how to use Flow AI, I've made a full tutorial on how you can use Flow AI to generate both your images and your videos. Just scroll down on my long videos and you will see the tutorial. So now this is the image that Flow AI gave me. Which one am I going to choose? Okay, now I think I have to choose this. Let me just choose this. So I'm going to click on this particular one, this first one, and then click on download so that I will download the image. After that, I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the character prompt again, then go back to Flow AI, paste it there. Now that I have a reference image, I'm going to long press on this particular image, then click on add to prompt so that I can use it as my reference image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, go back to Flow AI, paste it there, also choose my aspect ratio and every other thing, then generate the second image. Look at the second image that it gave me. I think I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to click on download, long press on the video, then click on download. Then I will also do the same thing for the third image, okay, I'll do the same thing for the third prompt, the third image prompt, so that I can get all my images ready. All right, now that I have all my images ready, then it is time to animate. So guys, you go to any browser of your choice and type Kie app, Kie API, and type it. So you click on this particular one. When you type that, a lot of it will come out, but you click on this particular one that has this logo. So this is the interface. It says access the world's best video, image, music, and LLM models in one app. So this particular app has so many models, so many, like a lot of them. A lot of creators are generating their videos and images here, both paid tools and free tools. It can generate images and videos, and they are also in high quality. It has a lot of models here. When you scroll through, you can see a lot of models here. So we are going to click on Explore AI app. When you click on it, it brings you to this place where you can see all models. You can see Seedance 2, and you can see Claude AI. You can see ChatGPT. You can see Gemini Flash. You can see Flux 3. You can see Queen AI. Like, how many should I even mention? There are many, almost all the models, like a whole lot of models, Pixverse, and so many of them. Okay, so let's go back to where it says search model, search by model. So here it says search models by name. We are going to type Grok AI. I know you saw Grok before now, but it is not that one. We are going to type Grok Imagine. This is what you are going to type, so that you select the exact one. If you select another model of Grok, that is not going to work. It is only Grok Imagine that works for high quality video generation. Okay, then we will scroll down and find Grok Imagine 1.5. we are going to click on it, and here it is. So when you click on Grok Imagine video 1.5, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see Run with app, you can see Playground, you can see Similar, you can see Read Me. Then you click on that three lines up, that lines up, click on it so that you can sign in. Okay, you click on Continue, so that you choose an email account that will enable you to use this model. Okay, you are going to sign in. This is me signing in. After signing in, it will bring you to this place. You are going to click on that box so that you verify that you are a human. After that, you are good to go. Successfully signed in. So on this model, we'll be using Grok Imagine 1.5. So you see that Playground, you are going to click on it so that it will bring you to this interface. Okay, this is the interface where you can generate your videos and your images. On this particular model, or on this particular site, images take credits too. Okay, so that is why I choose to generate my images on Flow AI, because when you generate your images on Flow AI, it is free. This app also have free credit. Okay, it has free credit that you can use to generate about 2 videos, and each video gives you 8 seconds video. You can generate 2 videos, and if you want to generate more than that, it won't let you. It will ask you to upgrade. All right, but you guys know how we do it. You're going to switch to another account so that you continue your generation. So now it is time to copy my video prompt. So I will go back to ChatGPT and then copy my video prompt. Okay, scene 1 video prompt. This is it. You can see subject, action, dialogue, environment, camera, every single thing. I'm going to copy that from ChatGPT, lightning and performance and every other thing, quality. Then after copying it, I'll go back to the app. You see this place that they already have their own prompt. You see it. I'm going to, can you see it? This particular place that they wrote prompt, I'm going to click here and then paste my prompt there. Okay, then I'll click on remove on this image. This is their default image. I'll click on remove, then click on select files, photo library, and then import my photo. This is my photo. It is loading. Okay, you can see uploading files. After some few seconds, it is ready. Then this is the aspect ratio. I'm going to set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then move up the resolution to 720, and then this is 8 seconds. If you want, you can make it more than 8 seconds, but I prefer this 8 seconds. Okay, Then you click on run and your video will start generating. When you scroll up, you can see it's generating your video. So you just wait for about 30 seconds or less. It doesn't even take time. It depends on how fast your internet is. And within a few seconds, here is our video.
Amara, I don't think I can continue this marriage anymore.
Please don't say that.
So you close this window and go back. You see download arrow there, that blue arrow. You are going to click on it and it says downloading. Then after some seconds, you are going to see save sign. Did you see it there? You click on save and then save it to your files, and then we are done with scene 1. So I will go back to ChatGPT, copy my second video prompt. Can you see it? Scene 2. I'm going to copy the prompt, the video prompt, everything, lightning, camera, quality, performance, audio, dialogue, and a whole lot of them. Then go back to this app again, follow the same process. Here I'm going to paste my prompt. I'm going to select all and paste the new prompt that I copied. Then I'm going to click on remove this image, then click on select files again, upload the second image. Okay, then choose the aspect ratio, the resolution, and then the seconds, and click on run, and again our second video is ready.
Please, we've been through so much together. Let's fix this.
I've tried, Amara.
So as usual, I'm going to click on that download button and it will download. After downloading, I'm going to save it on my files. Follow this process and generate all my other scenes. Okay, all my other scenes that are remaining to complete this this particular episode. Is just one scene. It depends on how many scenes that your story is. Okay, so this particular site, this particular model is not unlimited, it is limited. But what you do, I think this credit resets every day. Why I said so is because some people say that it resets, while some say that their own doesn't reset, but as for me, mine resets. So let me know in the comment section whether yours resets or not. But what you do is that you have to switch emails depending on how many scenes that you want to generate. If you have 2, 3 emails, 4 emails, 5 emails, or if you have so many phones, so many laptops, it's a plus for you. So this is how you are going to generate your videos from this model. And if you are smart enough, you can generate up to 3 minutes videos daily if you are smart enough. So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this model or not, and if you try it, let me know if your credit resets or not. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.